Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel yet again. Now in the last video I spoke to you guys about xt.com and I also instructed you on how to use it. Now in today's video I'm going to speak about a project that you may have heard of which is still relatively new, and that is called Coin98. Coin98 is a cross-chain liquidity protocol with three main projects, which includes Coin98 Wallet, Coin98 Exchange, and Coin98 Bridge. Now what makes this stand out from other DeFi projects is that it supports over 20 blockchains all in one. If you want to find out more info about the project, then please follow the link in the descriptions below. Because Coin98's development team are Vietnamese, TAB is very fortunate to cooperate with them, and now you can store TAB on their wallet as well. I'll show you guys all the functions of Coin98's wallet, and I gotta admit that this is one of the best crypto wallets I've seen so far. Okay, so now we're gonna head on over to coin98.com and just have a look at the website. Now it looks pretty basic, the interface looks nice and clean, and it's very user friendly as well. So just let's have a look at some of the headings. The first one there being Coin98 Finance. Here you can get information about the DeFi product builders, the ecosystem, as well as industry knowledge and connections. Then next up we have products. So here you have different products ranging from the Coin98 Hub, where you can store multi-chain crypto assets. Then we also have the wallet, again for storing multi-chain crypto assets. We have exchange, markets, portfolio, token issue, as well as multi-send. And what makes this function so nice is the fact that you can send tokens to multiple addresses. Now let's head on over to trade, and here you can see different DeFi platforms that are supported by Coin98, such as Coin98 Exchange, Uniswap, SushiSwap, as well as QuickSwap. Now I'm going to click on Coin98 Exchange just as an example so you guys can see what it looks like. So here you can see the basic layout of this heading, and as well the different pairs on your left hand side. Now if you want to change to another DeFi platform, just click here and it will show you the other DeFi platforms that you can choose from. Okay everyone, now let's get down to business. So what we need to do first is head on over to Play Store, then search for Coin98. Then as you can see, I've already downloaded the app, so I'm just going to open it. And once you open the app, it will give you a list of language options. Okay, so there's about 12 different languages that are supported by this app. Obviously you choose the one that is more applicable to you, so I'm going to choose English. Okay, then it takes me to a bunch of different options there. Okay, set up pin code right now. Alright, so let's go to set up your pin code. Choose a pin code that will be easy for you to remember. Okay, then pin code set successfully. Alright, then we can head on back. So there we have, at the top it says default wallets. As you can see, it says $0. Then just below that we have add wallet, and next to that manage. And just underneath that we have different platforms that you can choose from or look up at. So I'm going to click on add wallet. Okay, now once I'm here, I'm going to create. You have to choose a wallet name. Now here the wallet name can be anything that you want it to be. So I'm going to call it, let me just type in a name there. Okay, and done. Then next. Now once you get to this page here where it says initiating wallet, the first thing you need to do is there where it says passphrase, I need you to copy that list. That is a 12-word password list that you need to copy and then store in a very secure place. Okay, store it somewhere where only you can have access to it. You don't want other people to know what these words are so that they cannot have access to your wallet. Okay, so I've now copied that. Let me just save it first quickly. Then you just copy and paste those words that was given to you and create wallet. First back up your recovery key. I understand that if I lose my key, I will not be able to access my wallet. And then lastly, do not provide to anyone, and then click on create wallet. Okay, so now once that is finished, it will take you back to the main screen, and now you will see that it looks slightly different. So it has my username at the top, but now there are 4 subheadings instead of the 2. So now we have manage, send, receive, and history. Okay, now Coin98 also makes it very easy for you guys to send and receive tokens. So first up, let's click on receive, and then from here you can search tab, then scroll down and click on tab. Now here it will give you 2 options. If you are with the person that's sending you the token, they can just scan the QR code. Otherwise, you can copy the link and send it to that person in order for them to send you the tokens. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I sent some tab to my wallet. Alright, so that was the receiving part. Okay, now we're going to send tab to somebody else. And to do this, you also need to remember that you need TOMO for gas fee, but the fee is very, very small. It's normally 0.001 TOMO. Okay, so let's click on send. Then the first thing it asks you is asset amount. In this case, I'm going to put it in 5. Then the next option or the next box is recipient, and here is the wallet address. Now the first one there, if you look, there are 3 different options that they give you. The first one, if you click on that human icon, okay, now here it says label, which is other words is the recipient info, then also the wallet address. Now to do this, you can either scan the QR code on that other person's phone, or you can simply paste the wallet address. Alright, then blockchain, here you can choose which blockchain you want to use. Now mine is set to TOMO chain. Alright, then let's go back. Now the one in the middle, which is the QR code, we're going to be using that one, but first I want to go to the last one here on the list, and this one basically is to copy and paste the wallet address. Okay, but for this video, let's go to the one in the middle. Okay, so we're going to be scanning the QR code. Now when you look in that box, you see that the wallet address appears in that box. Then it also has an optional message box as well. Okay, so in this message box you can type in anything that you want. It can either be a reference or simply just reminding the person of who sent them the tab. So once we get to the bottom, here you will see there's a slider at the bottom. Now that slider is basically for your gas fee. Now the higher the amount of gas fee, in this case which is Star Wars, okay, so that means the transaction speed will be much quicker than the standard one. But for our purposes, we're going to choose standard, then send, put in your security pin, and then your tab will be on its way to the recipient. Okay, so now once you've activated your account, then you can have a look at the different options at the bottom. So we have market, and there they show you the trading volumes of the different wallets. Then if you go back, let's go to swap. So here you can basically swap whatever you have in your wallets with whatever other wallet you want to trade or swap it with. If we go back again, the nice thing about this, they also have a built-in browser where they also have different functions. For example, exchanges, games, finance, starters, utilities. So there's quite a few things that you can do within the built-in browser as well. Then if we go out again, then they have the normal settings bar as well. So here you can change your general settings with regards to currency, appearances. You can even change the language should you need to. There's privacy protection, wallet manager, terms of service, and then you can also rate the app as well. Now I want you to now click the icon which is also at the bottom but the one in the middle. Okay, so there it gives you the different options of cryptocurrencies, terminal, Coin98 network settings, as well as live chat support. So if there's anything that you need help with, you can just chat to one of the people at Coin98. Alright, and with that being said, you should be ready to go and just play around with it until you are quite familiar with the app. But as far as user friendliness, and it should be quite easy to get used to. So just play with it a bit and get used to the app. So if you think that this video has helped you, please hit the like button. And if you want to get further updates about our upcoming videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can be informed about any notifications. Also, if you have any questions, please comment in the description below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, thank you and see you next time.